is Daydreamer vlog number 1. So right now I'm heading to Walmart. About to meet up with the people. Told them to meet at 4:30. It's 4:34 and I'm nowhere near. My stupid alarm didn't go off. Just got a text from my boy Lalo. He's over there right now. Going up to Dog Creek Vista first. Hopefully we'll be there before the sunrise. Still gotta go to Chevron and coming. Meet up with some of my friends, Mike's co-workers. Me, we got my friend Alex, we got Mike, Xuong, Luis, Naveen, Kegan, Josh. A whole bunch of people today. Hopefully I can vlog the entire thing. Running kind of late right now, so can't really vlog right now. I was thinking about doing a more complete vlog right now. Alright, just made it to Buford. Doing the last turn before we get to the location we chose. We're meeting up at a Walmart right next to 985, which we're taking all the way up to Lalo, turning onto the back roads. It's 4:45. Hopefully everyone showed up. Gotta find my boy Lalo. There's a cop right there at the entrance. I don't know if that's gonna affect us. There's Kegan, Luis. Alright, about everyone here now. Just with my friend Mike. That dude always late. This right here is Naveen. He got his BMW E36. Bought this about a few months ago. Take it to the mountains for the first time. We got Xuong, his uncle's Camaro, 1LE. Josh in the GT86. Friend Alex, he can leave his truck though. Luis in the RSX. We got Kegan in the Skyline, R32. We got this bro.
What's up?
Got the boy Lalo in his Rally Versa. Then we got my Accord. So we'll just wait on my friend Mike, and whenever he gets here, I guess I'll continue this. Bro, Mike finally showed up. You guys clock still on daylight savings, bro?
Yeah, boy. What's up?
Yeah, so
Everyone stop here. Josh, Naveen over there. Got Xuong in the Camaro. Luis in the RSX like always. Mike in his Mustang. Lalo vice versa. Glad he couldn't make it. From here we're heading out to Cumming, meet up at a Chevron.
you heard it? That's the first time you hear it. Like one shot. First time you hear it, right? You have never heard my car before, have you? Yeah.
Chevron. Everyone's scattered up right here. Got Mike's friend over there joining us in the WRX. Yeah, we got Luis here with the bright lights, bro. Thinks we're turning into Stevie Wonder.
Just explain what's going on, how we're gonna do this, and go from there. I'm gonna wait till Lalo gets back and we're gonna do that.
Here at the Vista, I'll pull out the whole gear. Everyone made it here. Your tire sticky, Naveen?
What?
Your tire sticky?
Oh yeah, bro. Bro, you saw me going.
Yeah, they kind of stick.
Yeah, sometimes I actually got either on your ass. I was like, that was it.
And then I see the BRG going, and I'm just like, fuck, I want to go too.
What's up, guys? It's Mike here from Daydreamer's ATL. We're doing a mountain cruise today, Thanksgiving morning, just to catch the sunrise here. You can see just how beautiful it is. We've got a bunch of cars here for you, just doing a normal cruise. Hopefully we'll get some more in the future. So y'all stick around. Got some good footage in there for you. Keep going. Stay dreaming. Daydreamer's ATL.
Something in the middle.
What you got to say to the camera, dog?
What's up, man?
Hell yeah.
What's up, Michael? Car's slow as fuck.
Hey, calm down.
We're here at the second spot taking group photos. Just took some with the Minolta 7D. Got the A7R3 too with me. I'll use my tripod, get one of the people here. I don't know, I was thinking about like one, we'll all just stand here. And then if people want the group shot with their cars.
Yeah, let's just take a group shot with the cars, man.
For real?
Yeah. You too, bro. I know your camera shot and shit, but take a picture.
Huh? I guess. Well, I mentioned my gear. This is where I keep everything. Got the Minolta 7D. Peak Design V2 30-liter bag. This is where I keep most of it. Got the drone, got the telephoto, microphone. Got 2 other cameras in here. Probably do a separate video on all my gear. But that's the basics of it.
Hey yo, Jim, man, why don't you kick some of that, you know? You know how you do it, man. It's a trip, people don't even believe we're together right now. But tell your story, you know the one I like. Right. Say it for me.
Riders on the storm.
My dad called me on the way here. He was like, "Don't Nando's." I was like, "Estoy en la montaña."
Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out on loan. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah.
We're here, stopped at a curb. They decided to, I guess, stop right here. Got Naveen in his BMW. Man's ripping it around them bends. tires stickier than, I don't know, piece of tape. Like, they're sticky, man.
Yeah.
Got Lalo, Xuong Camaro. Huh? Yeah, it burbles, right?
It cracked. It
Like,
burbles
boom.
and cracked.
How's that four-wheel steering?
It's weird. It's only noticeable on like the long streets.
Really?
The streets I try, but I just don't get up to speed. But like I'll keep all the speed into the turn. I can feel the car just like.
Do your tires give it all?
No.
You got revs?
Straight up, I didn't hear. You haven't heard a single, not a single screech. I felt the whole car just like. When I get out of a turn and I straighten up, I can feel the car like just straighten right up.
Yeah, but still have more power. It's a very short.
That was shit's bricks, man.
For real, you're going slow as hell, man.
Yeah, dude. Man.
Driving like a dad.
I want to know what it feels like to drive Josh's car, man. Shit, I said it was like a go-kart for me. I mean, it drives like a go-kart. That shit planted, bro. That shit planted as fuck. Like, yeah. Bro.
I can do it.
I bet it drives like, it's nice. It's all real.
I'll get my main camera, see if I can take some shots while we're stopped here. Sound like it's about to go, but screw it. Ah, he just said we're good. Huh? Yeah, bro. People know I mean business within lights.
Man,
I was gonna pull out my camera to start taking pictures, bro. I knew they were gonna start leaving.
I was scared, bro. Fuck. I like it, bro. So you take the lead.
I like the back. I like how big is the back. I like that.
It's liberated, right?
Yeah, like you know the distance, so you get forward or not.
Bro went through the lost and found.
Huh? Yeah. I've been lost.
700 horsepower going through $99 tires. Sounds like a recipe for success.
They ain't no ling longs though, bro. They ain't no ling longs, man.
I think that's what I got over there. Shit. What are these? Taiwanese tires.
Is this like a
No wonder I got the heater on. That's what.
the cars? Song up front?
Song in the back, man.
Like 2 or 3, bro.
Taking pictures?
up extraordinary just to drive up north for a few hours in their cars and just be part of a little cruise I set up. I'm very grateful for the people that I've been able to meet through capturing car culture. Each of them have their own dreams, own ambitions, and own personal missions. But today, they came up together and to celebrate. The best part is when these people hit you up again to meet up, they text you, hey bro, on to the meet. And you guys meet up.